Bosk and Whisker. Bosk and Whisker represents 5 points. Number 1, starting value of data. Number 2, lower quartile. Number 3, median. Number 4, upper quartile. And number 5, ending value of data. Now, since obviously Bosk and Whisker represents these 5 points, these 5 points will be given to you, or there will be a raw data where you will be told to find out median, you'll be told to find out lower quartile, you'll be told to find out the upper quartile. Let's take the example from the previous question where we knew that from stem and leaf data or from the normal raw data that we have, we can easily see that the starting point was 2, the ending point was 49. So let's just say that the starting point was 2, the ending point was 49, your median was 24, and the lower quartile was 11. Your median was 24, lower quartile is 11, and the upper quartile was 38. This was your upper quartile. So if we note that the normal data starts from 2 and it ends till what? 49. So to represent Bosk and Whisker, what we will do is we will create a line graph. We will create a line graph. This line graph will represent unit. Let's say we are starting from here, we'll go till the end. And we are marking these as 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Let's just mark it little further so that the line graph is made properly with 2 points, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We go further, 45, and let's say this becomes 50. So this is your line graph, right? Let's say that your starting point in this was 2. So since we started off with 0, so considering that 2 will be here, so starting point is 2. Your ending point, we remember, was 49. So we'll mark 49 here before 50. So these were your starting point and your ending point. Then your lower quartile was 11. So 11 is here at this point. So what we do is, this is not on 10, but this will be on 11. So what we do is we'll mark it on 11 only. So let's say this is 11. Your upper quartile was 38. So we mark it somewhere here, 38. And the median was 24. The median is 24. It would be before 25. This would be your median point. Now, considering this, a straight line will be drawn to match all the lower quartile, median, and the upper quartile. A straight line will be drawn so that it creates a box which represents lower quartile, median, and the upper quartile. And there would be a line meeting from the point, ending point to the box. There would be a line meeting from the ending point to the box and from the starting point to the box. So this creates your Bosk and Whisker. So Bosk and Whisker represents your starting value. This can be represented as Q1. Let's say this is Q2 and this is as Q3. This is 11, quartile 11. This would be 24 and this is what? 38. Your starting point was 02 and this was what? 49. Now, this is representing what? Bosk and Whisker. In Bosk and Whisker, what you need to understand is that the data that you are showing, let's just mark it here. It can be three type of data when you have Bosk and Whisker. Number one, let's say this is your types of box and whisker. Number one is symmetrical. Symmetrical is when equal values lies between lower quartile and median, and median and upper quartile. Median, upper quartile. That means the difference between the lower and the median and upper quartile is same. So that means we can easily say that Q3 minus Q2 should be equal to Q2 minus Q1. Your median is Q2, your upper quartile is Q3, your lower quartile is Q1. So upper quartile minus median should be equal to median minus your lower quartile. This will give you a symmetrical graph. Similarly, on the other hand, if you know that there's another type of Bosk and Whisker, that is, let's say, positively skewed. Positively skewed plot. This positively skewed plot is when Q3 minus Q2 is greater than Q2 minus Q1, which means, let's say this is your Bosk and Whisker. This becomes your median. So this is your starting point. This is your ending point. This is starting point, ending point, Q1, Q2, and Q3. Q3 to minus Q2 is greater than Q2 minus Q1. When the median line is more towards the left-hand side, this will be what? Positively skewed. Similarly, the third type is negatively skewed. Negatively skewed. So negatively skewed will be when Q2 minus Q1 is greater than Q3 minus Q2, which means if we have Bosk and Whisker, so this plotting is on the right hand side. That means left hand side is greater than what? Right hand side. So this will be your negatively skewed. So normally in the Bosk and Whisker, you have 5 things: the starting value, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, ending value. Remember this, lower quartile will be the median of the median, whereas upper quartile will be the median of the median after the median value. Similarly, the other points are starting point and the ending point, which will be drawn in on the line graph. If the line graph is given, then it's perfectly all right. You will be marking everything on that. But if the line graph is not given, then you will have to draw the line graph as per the given values.